In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Paperform form to Airtable using the direct integration. To get started, open your form in Paperform using Google Chrome. Once you're inside the form editor, head to the After Submission section and then open Integrations and Webhooks. This is where Paperform lets you connect your form to other tools so that the information people submit can be sent automatically where you need it. In this case, we're sending responses straight into Airtable, which is a great way to keep everything organized in a table format without having to enter data manually. When you're in the integrations area, look through the list of direct integrations and select Airtable. Choosing the direct integration helps simplify the setup because the connection is already built into Paperform, so you won't need any extra tools for this part of the process. Next, click Add Account. This will prompt you to log into Airtable so you can authenticate the connection between the two platforms. Just follow the sign-in prompts to approve access. This step is important because it allows Paperform to send new submission data into your Airtable workspace securely. Once the account is connected successfully, you'll be brought back to the integration setup. From there, choose your Airtable base from the drop-down menu. After that, choose the specific table where you want the form submissions to go. Make sure you select the correct destination, especially if your base contains multiple tables, since each table may be set up for a different purpose. Now it's time to map your fields. This means matching each Paperform field to the corresponding Airtable column. For example, if your form collects a name, email, or any other response, each of those should be connected to the right column in Airtable. Take a moment here to check your mappings carefully because accurate field mapping ensures your data arrives in the right place and stays easy to sort, filter, and manage later. Once everything looks correct, click Finish Setup. Then save your changes in Paperform to make sure the integration is fully applied. Saving is the final step that confirms the connection and activates the workflow. After that, your Paperform submissions should start flowing into Airtable automatically. It's a good idea to test the form once to confirm everything is working as expected and that the data appears correctly in the selected table. And that's it. You've successfully connected Paperform to Airtable.